Bilang mga Kristiyano, isa ang bansang Israel sa mga pangunahing lugar na gusto nating mapuntahan, makita at maranasan. Kaya naman, sa pagkakataong ito, nais kong ipamahagi ang naging paglalakbay ko sa lugar na ito.
You are watching Igorota in the City.
Sa videong ito, pupuntahan naman natin kung saan lumaki si Jesus, sa Nazareth. Bago tayo makarating ng Nazareth, dumaan muna tayo sa Haifa. Sa Mount Carmel sa Haifa, ipinatayo ang Baha'i World Center. Ito ay kasama sa listahan ng UNESCO World Heritage Site. Baha'i faith is a religion teaching the essential worth of all religions and the unity and equality of all people. After Haifa, daanan na rin natin ang Caesarea. Ang Caesarea ay isang Roman town na ipinatayo dati ni King Herod the Great noong mga taong 25 to 13 before Christ bilang isang port city. Ngunit ngayon, ito na lang ang natira, mga ruins, tapos ginawa na lang siya ngayong open-air museum and tourist attraction. Pasok na rin sana ako sa Colosseum, kaso napakamahal ng ticket, kaya nagkasya na lang ako kung ano makikita sa labas. Maganda rin naman. Siya nga pala, from Tel Aviv, nag-bus ako to Haifa, and from Haifa, nag-bus din ako to Caesarea, and from Caesarea, magbabas din tayo to Nazareth. Kasi dito sa northern part ng Israel, very accessible naman ang mga bus and convenient. Finally, nandito na tayo sa Nazareth. Ito ang Church of the Annunciation. Pinaniniwalaan na ito ang bahay dati ni Virgin Mary. Tapos dito siya binisita ni Angel Gabriel at sinabing magbubuntis siya at ipapanganak niya ang anak ng Diyos na si Jesu Cristo. Kaya naman, sa loob ng church na ito, maraming painting ng Madonna and the Child na galing pa sa iba't ibang bansa. At syempre, alam niyo na, kailangan hanapin natin kung nasaan yung galing sa Pilipinas, kung meron man. Mukhang walang galing sa Pilipinas, mga besh. Eto pala. Dahil gabi na ako nakarating, bumalik ako ng kinabukasan sa Church of the Annunciation. And it's very different from last night. At sa ilalim ng church na ito, archaeologists found what's left of the ancient village consists of bits of pieces from various historical periods. Maaaring nagmula pa ito sa 8th century before Christ. Accordingly, yung mga mga mosaic na ito, 8th century pa. Or so. A few meters away from the Church of the Annunciation is this Greek Church of the Annunciation. Ayon sa kanilang paniniwala, dito naman nagpakita si Angel Gabriel kay Virgin Mary habang sumasalok siya ng tubig magmula sa bukal or yung natural spring sa church na ito. Kaya dito nila ipinatayo itong Church of the Annunciation sa kanilang paniniwala. Mula dun sa Church of the Annunciation, aakyat naman tayo dun sa house, tinatawag na the House of Joseph. Pinaniniwalaang dito tumira yung Holy Family. Kasi sa loob ng church na ito, or I mean under the church, may mga caves dyan. Tapos may mga nahukay sila na nagpapatunay na may early settlers dito na ang profession is carpentry or artisan, parang ganon. Tapos ngayon, pupuntahan na natin yung Nazareth village. Ito naman is an effort of the Nazareth community to bring back the Nazareth that Jesus knows. So we're going to see a first century recreation of the village of Nazareth.
The sandals are not original ones. We place the sandals here because they didn't press the grapes with their sandals. They pressed the grapes there by humans, and a big door which was used by animals or luggages. I mean, by humans with animals or luggages. For example, if you want, to do not bring in.
Take care of my sheep. I take them to the fields where there are green pastures, nice water. I protect them with my staff against animals. I care for their well-being all the time. And so God shows His people in the Bible. When we read the Bible, we can tell how much God cares for us.
Is it done?
I'm not sure.
I think so. It's still saying recording.
By pomegranate. We have this one which is made by walnuts, and the most expensive colors and the most rare ones are purple and blue. Purple and blue. These are made by this kind of seashells or sea snails. One drop from each, 5,000-6,000 pieces for one coat. This is why these were just for royalty, for priesthood and wedding dresses. And then she's spinning with the spindle. Look how she's doing this. So the wool is becoming threads right now for rope. Spinning with the spindle. Mentioned in Proverbs 31, the woman of virtuous, that she's working with her hands and she's holding the spindle with her fingers. And then all of these threads that she's making, she's placing on the loom that you can see behind her. She's making carpets, she's making rugs. And then she's making Barbies. They didn't call these Barbies. This is Hannah doll, not Barbie. And this is not Ken. This is Joseph doll. Thank you so much, Hannah. Now, good luck and enjoy. Okay, come on inside, please. Come here. No problem, it's okay.